Hello again, YouTube and Facebook friends, and today we're working on some wood pallet racks that I make. And what I did, I came up with a pattern that uses a 2x4x12. Now, I'm not some master home builder or anything like that I factor in the 1/4 inch for the saw blade or anything. I pretty much just cut it right down on the marked line. And what we did was 4 10-inch pieces that attaches to the bottom of the pallet to connect the uprights. So we just mark it off at 10 inches, 20, 30, and 40. That gets our 4 10-inch pieces out of the way. Then I use one piece to span the whole back of the pallet. That's 56 inches, 48 plus 4 and 4. And that brings you out to 96 inches. And then I use 2 upright pieces on a 45-degree angle to connect the bottom to the 2 sides. And so that mark is at 120, and this is 118 and 122 to get that 45-degree angle out of it. And when it's all said and done, looks something like this. And we're using 3.5-inch torque head screws to put everything together. I'll post a picture of this 2x12 online so you can see the measurements there. But again, just putting these together for some pallet wood racks.